The TSA's 311 rule is crucial for travelers to understand when packing liquids in carry-on luggage. The 311 stands for the maximum size of liquid containers allowed. Each container must not exceed 3.4 ounces, or 100 millilitres. This size limit is designed to ensure safety, while allowing travelers to carry essential liquids. It's important to note that all these containers must fit comfortably within a single quart-sized, transparent, resealable bag. This bag not only helps streamline the security screening process, but also keeps your liquids organised and easily accessible. A common mistake travellers make is misjudging container sizes. Many assume that a 4-ounce bottle is acceptable if it's not full, but the TSA strictly enforces the size limit regardless of the contents. Additionally, some travellers forget to place their liquids in the required bag, leading to delays and potential confiscation of items at security checkpoints. To avoid these pitfalls, always measure your liquid containers before packing and ensure they fit within the quart-sized bag. By adhering to the 311 rule, you can navigate airport security more smoothly and focus on enjoying your journey without unnecessary stress. Understanding these guidelines is essential for a hassle-free travel experience. While the TSA liquid rules are strict, there are notable exceptions for certain items that travellers should be aware of. Prescription medications are one of the primary allowances. Travellers can carry larger quantities of these liquids, provided they are declared at the security checkpoint. It's advisable to keep medications in their original packaging, clearly labelled with your name and prescription details, to facilitate the screening process. Additionally, over-the-counter medications, such as pain relievers or allergy medications, can also be exempt from the usual size restrictions if they are necessary for your trip. Another important exception pertains to infant nourishment, including formula, breast milk, and baby food. Parents travelling with infants can bring these items in larger quantities, but they must inform TSA officers during the screening process. It's crucial to declare these larger liquid items to ensure a smooth experience at security. By being proactive and communicating with TSA personnel, you can avoid unnecessary delays and ensure that your essential items are permitted. Understanding these exceptions not only helps in complying with regulations, but also ensures that you have access to necessary medications and nourishment during your travels, making your journey more comfortable and stress-free. Recent changes to TSA liquid rules have notably impacted the regulations surrounding hand sanitizer, particularly in light of the ongoing health considerations. The temporary allowance that permitted travellers to carry larger quantities of hand sanitizer has officially ended. Previously, passengers could bring up to 12 ounces of hand sanitizer in their carry-on luggage, but now they must comply with the standard 3.4-ounce limit, just like other liquids. This change emphasises the importance of adhering to the established 311 rule, which requires that all liquid containers, including sanitizers, fit within a quart-sized, transparent, resealable bag. Travellers should be mindful of this adjustment to avoid any issues at security checkpoints. Additionally, it's important to note that rules can vary significantly from one airport to another and may change depending on specific circumstances or heightened security measures. Some airports may still have unique guidelines or allowances based on local health regulations or operational needs. Therefore, it's advisable for travellers to check the specific rules of their departure airport before packing. By staying informed and compliant with the latest TSA liquid rules, including those for hand sanitizer, travellers can ensure a smoother and more efficient experience as they navigate airport security. When travelling, it's crucial to be aware of the liquids and items that are completely banned by the TSA to ensure a smooth security experience. Among the prohibited items are toxic chemicals, which can pose significant safety risks. This category includes substances like bleach and other hazardous materials that are not allowed in carry-on luggage. Additionally, self-defense sprays, such as pepper spray or mace, are also banned due to their potential to harm others. Flammable liquids, including gasoline and lighter fluid, are strictly prohibited as they pose a fire hazard on board an aircraft. Another item travellers often overlook is high-proof alcohol. While small quantities may be allowed, anything over 70% alcohol by volume is not permitted through security. Carrying such items can lead to confiscation and potential legal issues. It's important to remember that TSA officers have the discretion to enforce these bans and may take additional measures if they deem an item to be a threat. This means that even if an item seems innocuous, it could still be subject to scrutiny. To avoid complications, travelers should familiarize themselves with the list of banned items and pack accordingly, ensuring a hassle-free journey through airport security. For travelers uncertain about the regulations surrounding liquid items, the TSA offers a variety of resources to provide clarity and assistance. One of the most effective ways to seek clarification is by directly contacting the TSA through their official website or customer service hotline. Travelers can inquire about specific items and receive tailored guidance on what is permissible in carry-on luggage. Additionally, the convenience of social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook allows for quick responses to questions. The TSA actively engages with travelers on these platforms, making it easy to get timely information without the need for lengthy phone calls or emails. Common inquiries often include questions about the allowance of specific liquids, such as hand sanitizer, or whether certain food items can be carried on board. For instance, travelers frequently ask if they can bring homemade sauces or larger quantities of baby formula, and the TSA typically provides clear answers, often confirming that these items may be allowed under specific conditions. By utilizing these resources, travelers can ensure they are well informed and compliant with TSA regulations, ultimately leading to a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience. Staying connected with the TSA can help alleviate any uncertainties regarding liquid items before heading to the airport. Traveling with medications can be complex, especially when navigating TSA regulations and international laws. One of the primary challenges is the legality of certain medications, which can vary significantly from one country to another. While a medication may be perfectly legal and commonly prescribed in your home country, it could be classified as illegal or restricted in your destination country. This discrepancy can lead to serious legal issues if travelers are not aware of the local laws regarding their medications. Therefore, understanding the medication rules for international travel is crucial. It's essential to research the specific regulations of the countries you plan to visit, including any required documentation, such as prescriptions or letters from healthcare providers. Additionally, travelers should be aware of the TSA's guidelines for carrying medications, which often allow for larger quantities than typical liquids, provided they are declared at security. To avoid complications, it's advisable to carry medications in their original packaging and keep them accessible during travel. By taking the time to research medication regulations before embarking on your journey, you can ensure compliance with both TSA rules and international laws, ultimately leading to a smoother travel experience and peace of mind while abroad. In summary, understanding TSA liquid rules and their exceptions is essential for a hassle-free travel experience. We discussed the critical aspects of the 3-1-1 rule, which limits liquid containers to 3.4 ounces and requires them to fit within a quart-sized transparent resealable bag. We also highlighted important exceptions for prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and infant nourishment, emphasizing the need to declare these items at security checkpoints. Additionally, we covered recent changes regarding hand sanitizer quantities and the implications of carrying banned items, such as toxic chemicals and self-defense sprays. Staying informed about these regulations can significantly reduce stress during your travels. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and updates. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about the latest travel regulations and best practices to enhance your journey. We also invite you to share this video with fellow travelers who may benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel, where you can find more insights and advice to make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and safe travels.